Today I'm shooting a fascinating video, and this is a Rudraksha, and I've had it for a long time. And this was given to me. This was given to my mother by somebody. So I've never known the efficacy of it, if it's a real Rudraksha or not, because there's a lot of fakes in the market. I've had this for years. Actually, it's more than a decade that it's been with me. Actually, it could be a couple of decades. So today I have learned a new way of testing if the Rudraksh is real or not because of the electromagnetic properties in a Rudraksh. You can take a couple of Indian coins, like I'm taking a 2 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. You have two holes in a Rudraksh, right? You just need to rest it on one of the coins with one of the holes, and then you take the other coin and then you rest it gently on top of it, and then the Rudraksh starts turning. You see, it's spinning. I'm not exerting any pressure actually. If I do, then you can see it. I'm not. I'm just resting it gently on top of it. You see, it's turning. I just tested it out myself today, and I'm amazed. What a mystic wonder is Hinduism. This Rudraksh shows us that. And this is definitely real, original, whatever you want to call it. Fascinating. Okay, that was all I wanted to show today.